Hello everyone, why we are at ChatGPT, but the course is about presentation. Let's say we need a slide. What a slide I say? You need a present, and at your presentation, you need a slide. Let us for now format background to, for example, some solid fill, and let's just insert a text and call it references. It's one of the most important part of your presentation. I remember sometimes in college, because I don't have this slide, I lost more than half of the grade for just not having this slide. Okay, let's say you don't know you need the references and you created all the parts as you guess, and after creating everything you just remember you need the references. What is happening is are you going to panic and create a presentation from the first, or you need to search all the net for the references? No, it's not like that. Do you remember the comments that we put? We just simply copy all of them, paste them to ChatGPT, and just their free version, and ask, can you give me the references of these paragraphs, and just wait. You see, we are getting the references without doing anything, and your presentation now has references. We can copy all of them, but in this format copying is hard. We ask him, can you give the references without partitions? Let's see what is going to give us. Now we have all the references, and we can just copy them and paste them in our references. Let's say reduce it in size and insert a no text box. Just paste them. After pasting them, you saw it's so ugly, but it's okay. We can just cut them and paste them. Now we increase them in size, change the font. Now we have our first references. Don't forget to delete this part, and give it a great view, and delete this line. Now you have the first part of your references. You need to add second part also for each slide. Whenever you use AI, you give the text to it. Can you give, I don't want to use my pictures. Can you give references, and just wait. In that way, you look very professional, and also you have a good references. But if you want to make your presentation more professional, and if it is an important thing, I suggest that before just copy and pasting the text, you do some research on what, do some research and find out which one of references you use more, and then just put them. You can also put all the references, it has no problem, but you must remember to delete the parts that AI created. And now your references are created. And you can also in references page, you don't need to use anything special. It's good just like this, and the references slide is something you show at the end of the show, and it's not important to look beautiful, but we are going to do some modification on this on the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like our video, and ask me if you need anything in the